Staycation sa overlooking ng Antipolo. Sino ang game dyan? Tara!
A hidden gemstone just a few hours away from the metro. A great place to unwind and experience fun-filled activities na pwedeng pang family and barkada. Tayo na sa Antipolo and discover Cafe Lupe.
Good morning, Miss Elsa. Thank you po for accommodating us here.
Of course. Hello, hello. Good morning.
So it's my first time here at Cafe Lupe. I'm very excited to go around. But tell us more about Cafe Lupe. How did it begin and when was it established?
We started with our billboards in Guadalupe, San Carlos Seminary. And the owner decided to have a restaurant underneath. At that time, we started as a resto bar. Bed and breakfast. Hostel bar.
So Miss Elsa, when I came here, very homey yung vibe niya. Ano ba yung inspiration sa interiors nito?
The owner wanted it to be rustic looking, very casual. He doesn't want anything stiff or formal. Something you can enjoy, and the family would enjoy the stay here.
Very homey yung vibe niya. Para akong bumibisita sa vacation house ng isang kamag-anak. Talagang makakalimutan ko na galing ako sa city. Ganun yung vibes.
Konting kembot lang mula sa lobby area, kaagad yung makikita ang kanilang pool with an awesome view of the Metro Manila skyline.
Nandito tayo sa kanilang pool area na overlooking. Sa ngayon pa lang relaxing na siya, pero na-imagine ko paano pa sa gabi na may sunset, tapos makikita mo yung mga ilaw, sigurado nakakaalis ng stress.
And if you want the same romantic view of the city skyline, why not avail their spacious suite room for that ultimate stress-busting experience for your staycation?
Uy, ang spacious ng room, oh. Meron pang area for sala. I think kasya dito isang family. Try natin tong kama. Uy! Lambot ah, sarap pa. Sigurado paghiga ko dito, tulog agad. Kung kanina maganda na yung view sa pool, mas maganda at saka mas malawak pa yung view dito.
If solo traveler ka naman o kaya on a budget, meron ding different room accommodations ang Cafe Lupe to fit your staycation needs. Hindi lang limited sa staycation ang services ng Cafe Lupe. If you're looking for a fun night out with friends, tamang chill, hold a function event, or just keep an active lifestyle, pwedeng-pwede nyo gawin ang mga yan dito sa Cafe Lupe.
Ano po yung perks ng mga titira dito, magsistay dito?
Yeah, people who do staycation here, we have the swimming pool, free of use, this gym, billiards, jacuzzi, sauna, and of course, our pickleball.
Oh, pickleball!
Yes,
Excited ako
yes,
i-try
yes.
yan. Isa sa mga activities na pwedeng ma-enjoy dito ay ang pickleball. And kasama ko ngayon, si Sir Paul of Pickle Heart Club. Hi, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. Thanks for having me.
Yes, you're one of the regulars here at Cafe Lupe. Para sa mga uninitiated po, ano po ba ang pickleball?
Pickleball is basically like a spin-off of tennis and table tennis combined. No? So, ganun lang siya kadali. So, madaling matutunan, mahirap pa-master.
Sige, parang I'm up for that challenge. Can you teach me a few
Of course,
basics?
of course.
Sige, let's go!
Let's go. So, just to get the feel of the ball, no? This is made of plastic, hard plastic. And baka ma-overwhelm ka lang, gagawin natin, I'll let you bounce the ball once, I'll get it, then twice, hanggang dumami, then I'll leave you.
Wow, ganun kabilis?
Oo naman, kaya
Okay,
man.
sige,
Oh, ready? 1. Okay, 2. Good. 3. Huwag mo papaluin ng wrist, paluin mo ng paddle.
Okay.
And pwede
Okay,
na.
17 na.
Pwede na.
Naka-17.
Game na tayo?
Okay, game. Parang medyo may cardio rin siya, no? Kasi
Meron.
urong sula.
Oo.
Okay.
Start?
Yeah, let's start.
Alright, let's play.
Ready to play pickleball!
Baba ka ng konti, then shift your weight going forward, going up.
Usong-uso talaga ngayon ang sport na pickleball. Kaya naman open 24/7 ang facilities na ito ng Cafe Lupe for those who want to get into this trending sport.
Alright! Alright! Nice game! Thank you! isa ito sa mga activities na pwede mong maranasan dito sa Cafe Lupe.
Let's get to the good part and top off our Cafe Lupe experience. Walang iba kundi food trip. A perfect reward after an intensive workout. At sa dami ng choices na pwedeng pagpilian, siguradong happy tummy kayo palagi whenever visiting Cafe Lupe.
Interesting yung combination ng mga dishes dito because they serve Mexican and Visayan dishes. Una kong susubukan yung pork cadyos, which is something na never ko pang nakain in my entire life. Asim. Parang reminiscent of parang sinigang. Okay din na meron siya nung kadyos kasi siya parang nagkakaroon siya ng pop habang kinakain mo siya. Ang sarap ng pagka-tender ng meat. Nadagdagan ng asim. Tapos may konting-konting hint of sweetness nung langka. Interesting. I-try din natin yung kanilang Mexican cake. Kanilang cheese quesadilla, magkakamay na tayo. Very cheesy. I feel magugustuhan to ng mga bata. Iba rin silang dishes na talagang makikater sa buong family. They have the Filipino breakfast, bulalo. Meron din itong mga pasta, carbonara, bolognese. Siyempre, ang crowd favorite, fried chicken and buffalo wings.
It's always nice to treat ourselves a well-deserved rest and relaxation once in a while. And if you're looking for a quick escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday living, do visit Cafe Lupe in Antipolo.
So overall, why should people come and visit Cafe Lupe?
You should visit Cafe Lupe because it's a place that you can hold memories and there's so much to offer, especially during staycations.